Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
Let's see. GG Solutions. So I'm good, Notary Giant. How are you doing? GG Solutions says, thanks, Kimmi. I just joined your membership. Oh, you are so welcome. I'm looking forward to working with you. So just for those that are thinking about joining right now, let me tell you a little bit about the membership and how it works. So we have like 16 different courses, everything you need to do your business, literally to start your business, to grow your business, to add additional services. We have the Notarize Like a Pro. We have the how to price your services is always an issue for people. That's a course. The tax course, remote online notary, apostille is even included. Wedding officiant, everything you need, literally A to Z to do your business is included. And on top of that, we meet weekly. This week's session, again, is about adding translation services. So the first few minutes of all of our sessions is a little teaching, because I like to teach notary educators. The second part of it is all about your business. Where can we best help you? In addition to that, there's a live chat that is going on all day. So you can hop in the chat if you have a question about something. The chat is not to teach you how to be a notary. The chat is to refine what you've been learning through the courses, okay? So sometimes people may get that twisted a little bit. It's not to say, well, can I do this or can I do that? Did you do the course? And I can tell if you did the course based on your question. So if I push back and ask you another question, it's not that I'm being funny, but it's just that I want you to be the best. I want you to notarize like a pro. Okay, I don't just wear this. I don't just say that. It's not just a slogan. It is my slogan, but it's not just a slogan. I really want you to be a pro at what you're doing, and that's how your business is going to grow, you know? So let's see. So we'll see you soon. Lori W. Thank you, Lori. Oh, Lori says, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, Lori. I always forget that. Isn't that crazy? I'm a YouTuber. I should know that. I be so focused on the information. Notary Giant says, I'm okay, thank you. It's the AI fiction. Wait a minute. It's the AI action figure challenge. Oh, okay. Because I've been seeing a lot of people do that with this AI, and it's like an action figure box. So it's really cute. Oh, it's a challenge. I didn't know it was a whole challenge. Okay. What app are you using to do that? What app are you using for this AI challenge? Is that ChatGPT or what are you using? How do you get the little box to do it? Oh, it is ChatGPT. Okay. I pay $40 a year for my ChatGPT, so I don't know if I'm paying enough. It does what I needed to do, but there may be different levels to it. I might need to check into it because I see people talking about their logos and all this kind of stuff. I've just been hiring Fiverr for that kind of stuff, but I might need to check into it. What other questions do we have? I am live here, guys, in the flesh, talking all things notary. Today we did a little session about how to do a buyer's package. And if you haven't seen my new book, Become a Notary Signing Agent, check it out. And the new journal collection is amazing. That's what I've been up to, in addition to doing my actual notary business, which is called None Better Mobile Notary. What kind of signings have I been seeing recently? I always do everything, so that's why when people ask me that, it's kind of hard for me to say, well, I have 5 loan signings, because today I might have an ink fingerprinting, tomorrow I might have an apostille, I do translation services, as I mentioned earlier. Notary Giant, do you offer translation services in your business? I'm just curious. Are you offering that? because I know you're in New York. Are you offering translation services in your business? Let me know. Matter of fact, how many of you here are offering translation services? Is it on your Google page? Are you offering it?
Hey Notary fam, it's Kimmi. I am here to let you know, just in case you have not heard about the Notary Business Coaching Success Program. We meet weekly. We talk about your notarial duties, how to do an acknowledgement, how to do a jurat, how to administer an oath, everything you've been asking for. And guess what else is included? Unlimited access to all of my trainings that will also include ink fingerprinting, trust/estate documents, learn how to properly execute a trust. Don't forget, we also have the private community, like-minded notaries who have been trained by me. Check out my book that I've written for each state, How to Start Your Notary Business in Alabama, California. You get the point. Wherever you're located, there's a book for your state. Well, hopefully I'll see you soon over in training. Notary Educators, LLC. We got you covered. Bye.
And if not, why? Because you don't know how to do it. You never heard of it. Why? Why? How much do I typically make on translation services? Anywhere from $40 to $50. Anywhere from 40 to 50. Depending on how many documents they need to have translated, is depending on how much I charge, because I don't want them to just feel like they've been ripped off. You know what I'm saying? So if the translation fee is already high, I'll just add a little bit to it. It depends on if I have to travel to them and take them the documents. If they're going to pick up the documents, I'll look at all that. GG Solution says, I don't offer translating services. Okay. All right. And why are you offering GG Solutions? Are you new to notary, period? I'm just curious. We could talk more when I see you actually during the session on Friday. But let me know, why are you not offering translation services? Have you not heard of it before? You don't know how to do it? Let me know. And if that's the case, we are going to get you up to speed so you can know how to do it, when you're ready. You may not be ready for it at this point because you're just starting out. But I would eventually like you to be able to offer that. And that's how you're going to be more successful. So some people say, well, you can't really make any money being a notary. If you know how to do it, you can. Okay, and I'm gonna tell you what that looks like really quick. So, and we've been doing the math the last few times I've been on. So let's just say if you do one job, we're trying to make, let's just say $3,000 a month. Okay, most people are not making $3,000 a month at their job. So let's just say 3,000. We got 30 days. You don't even have to work 30 days. Let's just say you make $150 a day times, let's do 24. How much is that? 3,600. 24. So let's say you make $150 a day times 24 days, and that's 3,600 a month. Okay. How do you make that 150 per day? Let's do some math. Let's say you have one signing. It could be, let's just say, a loan mod, $50. Let's just say 50. One loan mod for 50. Okay. And let's just say you do two loan signings. Let's say they $50 each too. So that's 3 jobs that you did. Just 3. Average time for each of those jobs is 30 minutes. Okay, loan mod shouldn't take that long. General notary work, most general notary jobs are less than 10 minutes depending on what it is. So you got 3 jobs at $50 each, and that's on the low end. Okay, so that's $150 times 24 days. We're not even working every day of the month. Okay, that's at $3,600 right there. $3,600. So if you're not making $150 a day, doing 3 jobs, less than 3 hours, you might want to think about the notary business. You might need to think about mentorship so I can teach you how to make that money. Okay. A lot of you are working full time. I get that. So this may be a side business for you. I don't like to say side hustle, side business for you. Okay. Let's go back to some of the comments. So do you see the math though? 150 times 24. 150 doesn't sound like a lot. Now, I don't travel all over Atlanta. If I were to increase my radius that I travel, my area that I travel, I could make more money. But I'm kind of picky at this point. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to only work like, well, That's not really a good example because the way Atlanta is situated. So I work Rockdale County, Gwinnett County, DeKalb County, and I will go as far as Monroe, which is like 30 minutes, 45 sometimes, if the pay is right. But imagine if I worked all the way in Atlanta, in Decatur. I mean, I got the whole freaking state that I can service, but I don't do that. So can you make $150 a day? You can.